Looking to lower your cholesterol? Let's dive into 10 foods that can help you reduce cholesterol levels naturally. Number 1. Oats. They're high in soluble fiber, which can help lower LDL cholesterol. Start your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal. Number 2. Nuts. Almonds and walnuts are great sources of healthy fats that can improve heart health and lower cholesterol. Number 3. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants and fiber, helping to reduce cholesterol levels. Number 4. Fatty fish. Salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower cholesterol and improve heart health. Number 5. Legumes. Beans and lentils are excellent sources of soluble fiber that can help lower cholesterol levels. Number 6. Green tea. Drinking green tea can help lower LDL cholesterol and provide antioxidants that benefit your heart. Number 7. Avocados. They're full of healthy fats and fiber, making them a delicious way to reduce cholesterol. Number 8. Whole grains. Quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are high in fiber and can help lower cholesterol. Number 9. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other greens are low in calories and high in nutrients that can aid in reducing cholesterol. Finally, number 10. Dark chocolate. In moderation, dark chocolate can improve heart health and lower cholesterol levels due to its flavonoids. Incorporate these foods into your diet to help lower your cholesterol levels naturally. For more health tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.